Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I just wanted to share with you, I just finished up my annual open house that I do in my neighborhood, and it's where all of my local customers get to come and I share with them new project ideas for the Christmas season so they can start their holiday shopping early. And I'm sorry, I'm holding the camera up and that's why it's all shaky, but it's been a busy day today. And I just wanted to share for those of you that are not local and maybe want to see some of the things that I have available. I'm just going to show you around and show you some of the new things for this year. Not all of these things are available on my website yet, but they will be. And if you see anything on this video that you would like and you don't see it on the website, just contact me and I will get your custom order put in for you. So let me take you around and show you some of the new things for this year. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the Christmas ornaments because they are always a big hit every year. And this year is new to my shop are these wood slice ornaments. This one is for my family because I love the little red farm truck, and it can be personalized with your family name, of course, and the year on the back. So the wood slice ornaments are new. And then every year I always do these glitter ornaments. You have your choice of glitter color. And these are the disc ornaments, so you see they're not perfectly round, but there's the reindeer mask for 2020. Let's see, let's go down here. There's a Santa mask, because of course we have to commemorate this crazy year that it has been. If you moved into a new home, this can be personalized with whatever state. I also do lots of sports ornaments. There's swimming, football, gymnastics. All of the ornaments that I have available are listed on the website. Okay, this table has a lot of random things, so I will just show you a lot of them. These are oven mitts with cookie mix and a spatula in it. I actually only have these two left that are almost sold out, but these make great gifts for teachers or just little hostess gifts if you're, well, I don't know, are there gonna be many Christmas parties this year? I don't know. A cookie for Santa plate, gnomes, which if you've been watching my videos, you've seen me make the gnomes and you can make your own. I have menu boards here. These are really cute. You just write on them with a dry erase marker or a chalkboard marker, depending on which style you get. Those are popular throughout the year, especially now that most of us are eating at home most of the time. And then there are kitchen towels. These are like flour sack towels. They're really nice and soft. I have all sorts of different designs. There's Christmas designs you can get. You can also get regular towels for throughout the year, customized how you like. I've started making these beaded garlands because I'm just addicted to these. So those are not on the website yet, but they're gonna be available soon. There's a days until Christmas countdown sign. You write on the glass of that frame with a chalkboard marker to count down the days till Christmas. Here's some ring dishes that are little knick-knack dishes that you can have monogrammed. Oh, and how many of you need this? Elf Quarantine. Now this, I'll be selling the decals that you put on your own mason jar. So on the front it says Elf Quarantine. On the back it has 14 days countdown in a little Christmas tree shape. So you just circle the day that you're on, because of course we want to be safe when our elf visits, so he's gonna have to quarantine. I have this backpack. And this is my holiday or monthly holiday art sign that you switch out. I did a video on that recently too. And you just switch out the artwork for every month. I Love You Because frames. You write on the glass of the frame with a chalkboard marker and you just put little things that you're appreciative of to your loved ones, things that kind of go unnoticed. Like you may say, oh, I love you because you made me coffee this morning, or you made me breakfast in bed. Something like that. And here I have all of my glassware. I have some Christmas wine glass designs. New this year are glitter bottomed champagne flutes. That's actual glitter that I'll be doing a video soon on how to make those. There are pint glasses, Pilsner style pint glasses. This one here is actually etched into the glass. All these other designs that you see have vinyl on the glass. Coffee mugs with vinyl on them. Here are some plain champagne flutes and those that's etching in there. This one says, "Drink me." Or you can get it with vinyl. There's some fun glitter vinyl, nice and sparkly. For the teachers, because teachers can't survive on apples alone. And don't we all need a Because 2020? You can also get the wine glasses glittered. All sorts of different colors of glitter. Red, white, silver, gold, green, a rose gold, and there's like a black onyx, which is really pretty. My latest video was the Days Until Christmas signs. Those are available. I only have a few left. I think I only have like 3 of those left. Gotta Go, that's a leash holder. And that's also my last one of those, and the last dog treat jar, which you can choose different dog treat sayings. So I have a lot of new signs. You see the family, that's Scrabble tile letters there, and you can get those in whatever words you want. They're just $6 a piece per tile, and you can create these really fun Scrabble designs on your walls. I'm getting ready to do one of those in my house. These family party of 4 or however many people are in your family. They're just little square wood pieces. These are canvas frame signs. This is new. It's a plank with, says our favorite people call us, Grandma and Papa. You can customize the names on there, and then Grandma and Papa can clip on photos of their favorite people, because we know that once you have kids, your parents' favorite people are your kids. This Merry Christmas is actually a 2-sided sign. Let's see if I can flip it around without knocking anything over. There, when I flip it around, it's just our name with our state. But then this is gonna go on our mantle, and I can have it all year round with our name, and then flip it around to have a Christmas sign. New Home, New Beginning, that's my most popular sign design. These menu frames, oh, I already covered those, but those are very popular. A masterpiece sign. It's a plank board with little clips that you can hang your children's artwork on. So those are some of the things that people were ordering today for Christmas gifts. And like I said, if you see anything that you like but you don't see it on the website, just message me and I will be happy to create you a custom order. So hope you're starting to feel in the Christmas spirit, and it's gonna be here upon us before you know it. So hopefully you're starting to feel in the Christmas spirit and ready to get Christmas shopping, because goodness knows we all need some cheer this year. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video.